Hey guys, this is Mama Made. I have the Save Coupon Insert Preview for the week of March the 27th, 2022. I get these in my mailbox in my area. They do not even come in the newspapers. That is how I have access to them a little early. And I do not sell inserts. I just share what comes in my insert. Inserts can vary per region. 5 off of one of the Cysteine drops, and the Genteel is $3. And $3 on the Cysteine Zetator. That's how you even say that? Not even sure. $1 off of 2. I can't believe it's not butter. And $1 off of 2 of the spray. Some more Garnier Fructis coupons. They are stocking us up. Here, look at this, is a 2 off of 1 styler or treatment. So that'll probably turn into a good deal somewhere. I don't know, the stores might be tired of putting this stuff on sale. 3 off of 2 for their shampoo conditioner. 4 off of 2 on the treatments and the masks. And 3 off of 2 on the whole blends. Buy one, get one free simple wipes. That is a really good deal. Oh, I'm sorry. Buy one simple product, you get a wipes for free. So either way, still a good deal. $3 off Vasilor. Aquaphor, $2 on regular or baby, $2 on ointment spray, and $1 on the lip. Flonase, $4 and $8 on the larger one. Rana pasta is $1 off of 1 and then $1 on the sauce. Nivea, 4 off of 2 women's body wash, $1.50 off of 1 and $1 off of the Nivea men's. This is just Family Dollar ads. I will pan out here. Okay, O-Cedar mopping system. There is $5 off or $1 on the refill. That is a very specific coupon. Benadryl, $10 on the Zyrtec, $4 on children's or adult smaller count, and $1 on Benadryl there. $1.50 on the noodle kits here, and $2 on the 2 of the teriyaki sauce. This is just ad. And then Rock coupons, $3, and $2 on the skincare. So that's it. It's not looking to be amazing coupons, but just wanted to share with you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.